There we go. Welcome back, guys. And for everyone who's just visiting the channel, my name is Tommy, and this video is going to be about my new desk setup. Let's get going. This is some sort of anti-glide material that is usually used on the carpets, so the carpets won't slip around when you walk on it. And there is one of these things that you're supposed to put in drawers, but I couldn't find it when I was at IKEA, so I bought this one to have my drawers for all the stuff, so it doesn't move around when I open it. So let's just cut some up. So let's begin then, shall we? This is my desk. It's a brand new mechanical desk, so you can get it up and you can get it down like that. And on the desk I have my speakers. These are the Logitech Z4. I've had these speakers since 2009, I think. So they're pretty old, but they do a decent job for video editing and listening to music. And I got my AirPods Pro. I've had these for a few years as well. I got a wireless charger from IKEA for my phone or the AirPods when I'm sitting here editing. And I got the Magic Keyboard and the Magic Mouse. I like to use a mouse sometimes. This mouse is decent, it does the job, it works. So let's keep it like that. I got my editing drives. These are two LaCie's 5TB, which I use almost on a daily basis. I got my Canon charger for the batteries. It's pretty neat to have it on top of my desk, so it's always available. So I can just switch in and switch out the batteries. This is a lamp from IKEA. I have no idea what it's called, but... And I have these... don't know what to call it, where you can have your mouse and keyboard and computer on, also from IKEA. I have my drawer here. It's a 5-box storage, also from IKEA. And I got my computer, the MacBook Pro 16-inch M1 Max, 64GB of RAM and 1TB of SSD. This laptop is a beast and I really like it. That's basically my easy setup, my desk and everything. And for the drawer, I'm going to have my camera gear there and some paperwork, you know, like you have by your desk. Because I want this to be like the complete setup. I don't want to have to leave this place when I'm setting up my gear and everything. I just want everything in this space. And over there, I have my light and my tripod. That's it's a Nanlite light. I have no idea which one it is. I got it from my friend Peter. It's really nice and it makes everything looks professional. So that's good because I'm trying to be professional. And this is also a Nanlite PavoTube 26C. It works nice as a rim light. We have some light from here, we have some light from there, and we have this little cute one in the background for some more light. I just realized that I forgot to talk about the chair. The chair is a Legend gaming chair, also from Jysk. It's really comfortable, and I really like it. This is nice. I'm going to put some links down below for everything that I have. The desk I bought from Jysk. I have no idea if they have Jysk in any other countries than the Nordic countries. I'm going to be doing my videos from here, and I'm going to do some tutorials from here. And I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe if you do. And I'll see you guys in the next video.